Hi everyone. Canva is a browser-based design tool that make it easy to create great images. There is also a Canva app available at Play Store. It comes with editable videos, presentation, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnail, images and much more. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to use Canva only in 10 minutes. How to create images, videos, presentation, thumbnail and much more. If you want to learn Canva, then kindly don't skip this video. I assure you that only after 10 minutes you will be using Canva with full confidence. So we are at Canva website, but you can also use it at app. Either you can click on create design or you can simply scroll down and you can click on video, presentation, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnail and much more options are available here. Facebook post, Instagram story, A4 documents, YouTube thumbnail and Instagram post. So everything is available here. It's up to you that what you want to create here. In this video, I will tell you how to create videos for YouTube and how to create thumbnail. So we will click on videos only. So here click on videos. It will take us to another page. Here different videos template are available. You can search the video template of your choice. I want to create a video about digital marketing agency. So I will write here digital marketing agency. Here you can find the different video agencies template are available in front of you. Now you can choose one according to your choice. I will choose this. Now this video is actually a template with editable option. If I will play this video, you can see here. It comes here with the editable option. You can edit and drag and drop. You can change the text as well. If I change digital into SEO, it will be changed into SEO. Now it's SEO marketing agency. So you can change everything according to your demand. To add more templates in this video, click on plus button and choose another template. Suppose I choose this one. Now another template is here. Again, it is with editable options. You can change the text of this video. Now if you click on play button, you can see that it's playing. In this way, you can add as many templates as you want. When your video will be complete, after that the next process will be how to download it. For this purpose, we will click on share button. Now here you can share your video directly. To download your video, click on this play button. Now it's playing. Your full video is playing. If you click on download, it will process your video and download button will be available. Now click on download. Now it's processing. It will take a few minutes. Actually, it all depends upon your net connection. Just within 1 minute, your video will be downloaded. Here you people can see that it's processing. And now here the video is being downloaded. Now we will click a catchy thumbnail for our video. Again we will go back. So click on home. Here is thumbnail option available. YouTube thumbnail. Now click on YouTube thumbnail. Now thousands of thumbnails are available in front of you. These thumbnails also come with editable options. So take any of the thumbnail here. Click on here. Click on this thumbnail. Now thumbnail is in front of you. You can easily edit whatever you want on this thumbnail. You can edit text, you can edit image, you can edit everything on this thumbnail. All these options are editable. You can see that this picture is moving. Similarly, this text is also moving. You can edit text and image both. Now after finishing your thumbnail, the next process is to download it. We will click on this button. You can also give a name to your thumbnail. For this purpose, click here and give a name. We write here SEO. Now the name of our thumbnail is SEO. When you are done, then download it. To download your thumbnail, click on share button. Scroll down and here you can find the option download. So click on download. And now the download button is available. Just click on download. Again it is processing. It will take a few seconds and now your thumbnail is downloaded. I hope you might have learned how to use Canva. Canva is very easy. You can also earn money from Canva. However, this video, do tell me in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Wonderlog.